Hey, this is Yatin, and this is my GoldPoints project for CS61b, taught by Josh Hug. So for our project zeros for this class, we had to simulate a gravitational field for our solar system and observe how objects behave in that simulated gravitational field. So the way I put my variations inside this project was that I added the ability to control a spacecraft using your arrow keys inside the simulated field. I also added the ability to fast forward or slow down time based on your arrow keys. You could either fast forward time using the D key or slow down time using the A key. And then I added a crazy mode in which you could just press your spacebar and some of the asteroids would get replaced by black holes, which would just suck in all the other objects around it. So I could just run you through my code by running the following commands. That compiles the nbody.extreme Java file. And then I could just provide my planetextremes.txt file as the input, which contains all the object positions and their velocities. So here's my simulated gravitational field. As you can see, I'm using my arrow keys to control my spacecraft's movements. I can speed up time by using my D key or slow down time using my A key. It's really cool to see how the gravitational field of the spacecraft, since it has a negligible mass compared to these celestial objects, it hardly draws in any of the other asteroids or any of the other planets. And as you can see, it keeps getting drawn inside the sun if I leave the arrow keys. Yeah, that's mostly about my project. And I can also show you what I built for my crazy mode. I like to call it crazy mode because, well, as you'll see soon, it's kind of cool. If I just hit the spacebar, some random black holes will appear instead of the asteroids. Just eat up everything. Yeah, this is pretty much my project, and I can show you the way I built this. I used the std draw library to place the objects, and using the isKeyPressed method that's provided inside the std draw library, I recorded whenever any of the arrow keys or the A or D or the space key was being pressed and simulated a specific event according to whatever the key was being pressed. I used the key event to check when a keystroke was occurring. I used the key event to detect when the keystroke was occurring, and the std library to actually make an action for when that event was happening. And then I used these references to Stack Overflow, where I was able to find how the same thing was working. I picked up this GIF for my spacecraft from #Grow. You could use that too. And yeah, that's mostly my project. I hope you guys liked it.